a great sense of accomplishment. I'm still kind of amazed that I single-handedly installed a floor. It's beautiful, it's rewarding, it's a product I of course use every day. It's the foundation, of my condominium, and it's great quality. The planks, they're 3/4 thickness. I expect them to last another 100 years. I mean, my last flooring was well loved. And had tons of dings and scratches and bits missing, and but I started off making a cedar closet, and I thought, oh, this is similar enough to doing the floor, and I've always wanted to level and replace my existing floors. And also because I'm in a condo, I wanted something that could be removable in case I needed to deal with leaks or issues with other tenants. I love when I have a product and I get to use all of it. And that was my experience. I made the mistake of only ordering what I needed. But luckily, I was able to literally use every single plank that they sent me. There were no planks that were, skewed or bowed or, dinged up. Everything was quality.
Eliesha herself is such a talented artist that we're just so grateful to be here, and that she spent any time at all with our product. We just feel so lucky and so flattered that she'd be interested in hanging out with our products and putting them in her home.